Welcome to the installation guide for the Arnott rear air spring designed for the Land Rover Range Rover Sport L494. This video will walk you through the essential steps to ensure a successful installation. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. To gain access to the air spring, raise the vehicle and remove the applicable wheel. Loosen and remove the airline. Now remove the collet and Voss fitting from the exposed airline. Continue by removing the top clip using a pry hook. The final step before removal is to remove the lower mount from the lower control arm. Pinch the mount to ease the removal. You are now ready to remove the air spring from the vehicle. Install the new air spring into the vehicle and position the top mount so it is properly aligned with the corresponding pattern. During the installation process, make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. After you have ensured proper fitment, reinstall the lower mount into the control arm. Continue by installing the airline, gently pulling it outwards to ensure secure seating. Now reinstall the wheel and lower the vehicle to complete the installation. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the rear air spring of a Land Rover Range Rover Sport with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.